Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create student gradebook tracker in Jotform tables. So let's start with a new table, right? Here we can start from scratch. We can give it a name, create table, and from there we can add the new fields, right? So let's remove some of the existing fields if there are any. So here we have few, so delete those columns, right? So once we delete that, we can start from scratch, right? So here we can click on add, and then let's say first field be name, so we use student name, create column, then we add student ID. Here it could be mix of name and alphabet, so student ID is there, and then we have student score, so it should be a number, it's not a currency, so score. Then we have format, so we'll keep it in without 3 or so 2 would be good enough for decimal places. And then create column, then we have grade, which is again number, right? So grade, let's go with up to 2 places, create column, so score, grade. So here you can also give the score based on the amount of total that we have for all subjects, so that would be grade. And finally you can calculate GPA, or you can simply use short text, add note, right? So you have your table ready. Now what we can do, we can create a form out of this, and here we can see we have options to edit the form. And let's get the title up top above all the fields. We have student name, ID, score, grade. We can now publish this. So once published, can open it in new tab, and here let's see student name, and ID is 100, then his score is 413 out of 700, so grade is like say 4 point something, right? And then note, grade is 4, right? And then we click on submit. That would add one entry into one of the tables row, and you can see here. Now we can go on adding using the form, or we can use it here by clicking on add button and manually add the data within the tracker. So you can use it for say your class, or you can use it for your college or school, either one would work.